I think the impetus for the shift and cloud transformation, AI in general, is really several factors. One, security, safety, risk reduction. I think businesses were trying to find ways to secure their environments, to secure their processing, protect the continuity of the business, and secondarily about making efficient use of people's time. Utilizing software in a strategic way is a big part of that, and cloud and AI have facilitated that. I think the motivation for the decision makers to participate in this type of digital transformation is one of keeping up with the peers and risk aversion. They're recognizing what they need to do to stay current, to stay competitive, and internet cloud has enabled small, mid-sized organizations that we're servicing to leverage the same technology that enterprise organizations have, and they're attracted to that. The daily impact is felt by empowerment. That's, I think, the key thing. What's different today than what they've experienced in the past is they now have the ability to have their staff take ownership to process and have greater levels of control, where they used to rely so much on IT and so much on the technologists to be able to implement the strategy. They can now be more self-sufficient, and that's been a huge success factor and a big driver. Empowerment is a key thing. They used to be very, very passive, and it was more of a feed me kind of mentality and train me, and now they're coming into the workplace with skills. The office productivity tools that they're using illustratively, they're comfortable. And as a society, the generation now that's running business have grown up with the technology. So I think there's been a generational transformation that's taking place. These people are far more empowered when they're coming into an organization. They have higher level of expectation at an organization, which is also driving some change. So, perhaps older school organization is being forced, sometimes kicking and screaming by their staff, but it attracts the right level of talent, and it, at the end of the day, makes the business way more productive. I think when organizations look back retrospectively at what they've done and how they approached it, I think a lot of them regret maybe cutting some corners along the way, not thoroughly planning things the right way. we've always taken the philosophy of measure twice, cut once, and you see why do system investments fail. And that's because they don't get people on board. They don't invest the right time and dollars into training their staff, into even planning out how they're going to use it, to have a recognition that this is more of a journey than it is a defined point in time. And I think when they think about their past failures or missteps, they all would like to invest more in those aspects than in just select the right software, do a demonstration, and hope for the best. Citrin Cooperman is helping our clients evolve by implementing advanced technologies like AI and business intelligence throughout their organization. Whether we're implementing Copilot as a precursor to more advanced AI capabilities, or just putting in place a basic business intelligence platform, we're helping our clients realize value by harnessing their data. We don't have to rip and replace an ERP system to create some of these competitive advantages and helping them begin and maximize their AI journey. Citrin Cooperman brings tremendous value proposition to our clients. By working collaboratively with the balance of our advisory team, we're able to execute a strategy that builds enterprise value for our clients.